Hey guys, Justin Vandermark here. I hope you guys did your homework for exposition because we're moving on to the next video of the story plot arc, and that's going to be what is rising action. Rising action creates the conflict, right? It's the conflict for the characters to overcome. This will draw your readers and audiences in. So you got to make sure it's a solid one. Since we used Iron Man in the last video, we're going to continue using that. So the rising action begins when Tony Stark must overcome the attack and the escape of the cave he's in by creating that Iron Man suit, right? After that, once he's already made the suit, he's come home and he's already rebuilding it, he goes back to the Middle East to fix the problem that he created with his weapons of mass destruction. Once he settles that score, the viewer gets to see an insight into Obadiah, who's Tony's partner, working with the terrorists and then betraying them to get his hands on Tony's original Iron Man suit. Then, of course, we get the passion between Pepper Potts and Tony Stark. Then we get to the sad part where Tony gets betrayed by a father figure, Obadiah. That's when he steals the arc reactor from his chest. But luckily, Tony is saved by his malfunctioning robot for some humor. And lastly, we get Pepper, Agent Coulson, and S.H.I.E.L.D. trying to stop Obadiah, but it's too late. Once you build all these obstacles for your character to overcome, and that will show the emotional change, the personality change of your character, that will lead right to the next part of the story plot arc, which is the climax. So let's just jump right into your homework. For rising action, you want to build your character up with challenges that they must overcome. So write some of these obstacles down and whether they fail or succeed at it. This will help develop your character's emotions and personality change if they have one. This is just the start and the middle part of your story plot arc, because now you'll see exactly how the character's changing because of all these plots that are in their way. So once you have time, just comment down below what are some of your ideas for your rising actions for your characters, especially if you commented some of your exposition ideas. I would love to see how they're working out together and how your story's coming along. So thank you for watching this. Please like and subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for my next video next week about what is climax. Thanks for watching, guys.